Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So today is going to be a quick and simple tutorial. So it's going to be how to back up messages on WhatsApp. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So first of all, what you want to do is, of course, you would have your WhatsApp up just there. And what we want to do is we're going to go ahead into the app. So we'll load this up. Okay, so once you're into the app itself, what you want to do is on the bottom, you'll locate yourself within the settings. And then just below privacy, you'll see that there is a chat. So you want to go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, you've got chat wallpaper, chat backup, export chat. So we want to go into the chat backup. So we'll go into that now. And as you can see, you can go ahead and back up now. Of course, you can include the videos as well. You can do an auto backup for daily, weekly, monthly. You can turn it off as well if you wanted to. So those are your three different options. And you can have an end-to-end encrypted backup. So you can turn that on. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and select the backup now. And that'll pretty much just back up all of the messages or chats in your WhatsApp messages. So hopefully that has helped you guys. That is just a quick little tutorial. That pretty much just does its thing there in the background. So other than that, that is pretty much it. If you guys have any questions at all regarding the video, please do let us know in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much.